On the farm, your truck is an extension of you, and you've already got the Fab Four's black steel front bumper, so now you need the rear bumper to complete the package. The Fab Four's black steel rear bumper is not your average bumper. It's a perfect fusion of style and functionality, designed to enhance both the look and performance of your truck. It's a Fab Four's bumper, so you know it'll look good. It's got that rugged ranch style that's sure to turn heads on and off the road. But being on the farm is not just about looks, it's about durability. Don't worry, it's built real tough. Made from 14-gauge steel tread plate, this bumper is as strong as they come. It can handle whatever you throw at it, whether you're hitting the trails or navigating the livestock on the ranch. So check this out. It has LED reverse lights so you can lighten up the night, and a license plate mount so you can ride without hassle. Now here's a feature that sets the Fab Four's black steel rear bumper apart. It's sensor compatible when needed. That means it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's technology, ensuring that you don't miss a beat when it comes to the safety and functionality of your ride. The black steel rear bumper comes with the Fab Four's signature two-stage black gloss powder coat finish. It not only looks great, but also offers top-notch corrosion resistance, ensuring your bumper stays in pristine condition for years to come. If you want to know more about the Fab Four's black steel rear bumper, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.